got my fully charged battery. Let's get this thing out of here. Alright guys, so for today, doing it for science I guess, I've started these 1-inch drywall screws with my Milwaukee gun. It ran in about that far. I just got them a couple threads in, and I'm going to go through and see how many I can tighten on one battery charge. I actually don't know how many there are. I need to count them. I'll count them right now. I did 5 per row. Let me see what I got going on. Alright, I just got done counting them, and I have 320 screws. It's about 2/3 of the way through this 8-foot 2x4. But yet, typically I use this, here's the part number for it. It's 2401-20, and usually what I use this thing for is like automotive, like machined screws and bolts and things like that. And there's not nearly as much like battery draw as like wood screws. This is actually me putting this thing to work. Like typically, this will last me like at least a week of automotive use, like I say, like on machine stuff, because you know it's not as demanding as wood screws. But yeah, I don't know. There's 320 screws. Let's see how many I can do on one battery. How many do you think? I think it'll do them all because I love Milwaukee, and they've never let me down. Alright, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and start at this bottom corner and work my way up the 320 screws. And it actually has a little battery meter here. As you can see, it's fully charged. And I'll check along the way and see where it's at, see if it's actually doing anything to the battery. But here we go. Let's see. Make sure you can see. Alright, I'll be sure to cut or fast forward and do something because this is going to get crazy. And it's going to be my workout for the day. Here we go. First, let me make sure this is going to go into my drywall. Okay, yeah, we're good. They are only 1-inch screws. I just wanted to be safe. It's that thick, so my wall is good. Okay, here we go. I've got some crazy splitting going along right here. Still have a full charge. It's actually starting to separate here along the side. I guess it isn't like 320 screws going through it. Alright, this whole row right here might actually not even be usable. The wood's starting to just break apart, but I'll keep at it. After all these, I'm still showing a full charge, and I think I'm about halfway done, so sweating. It's about 2/3 of the way done. I'm going to count to see how many I've done so far. Alright, so what I've done so far, from like this point up here, just so happened to be 200 screws even. So the last little section is, I guess, is the rest, the 120. So the last little section up here is the other 120. And I still don't show any signs of actually of battery usage. Still 4 dots. So maybe I can do this whole thing using up 1 dot of battery life.
A candy for you.
Okay, yeah. I just lost my first. It keeps saying 3 and then it jumps up to 4. I guess it's on the verge of going down to 3 dots. Okay, it's officially 3 dots of battery life, and I have 50 screws left. So it's pretty safe to say I'll probably just jump back up to 4. Why does it keep doing that? Because it's still not officially three dots left. One more. Yes. I'm freaking sweating. Oh my god. Alright, so there it is. 120 screws. 320 screws, and let's check the battery life. 3 dots. I guess I finally decided to have 3 dots because it kept jumping back and forth between 3 and 4. I guess it was right there on the verge, switching over. Alright, so with one of the 4 dots of the battery life indicator, did 320 drywall screws, 1 inch long, 320 of them. So if it can do wood screws and last this long for 320 screws straight for like automotive use, it freaking lasts forever. I want to say I've gotten like 2 weeks out of my screw gun, but I don't want to exaggerate. Could be lying. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I will see y'all. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.